What's up, what's good everyone? In this video I will be face painting myself as Tigger because Christopher Robin is coming out tomorrow and the stream chat is open for all conversationing as I am face painting. I have my computer up over there streaming it, but it's kind of hard to see, especially without my glasses, so that's why I got my phone. Let's get started. Step one that I am doing is going to outline all of the stuff that I will be painting. Is anyone excited to see Christopher Robin? Yeah, he's like really simple, so that is basically it for the outlining. I actually just got a whole 8 palette thing of Snazaroo stuff. I had to mix quite a few colors for some of my other face paint videos, and it's nice that I have orange, and I have green, and I have pink. I got all kinds of colors now. I'm like set for life. We're going to do yellow first because that's the lighter color. This is the first time I am painting with orange ever. This orange is fantastic. I mean, look at that. Pink, right. And even though I have a pink, that's like really, really pink. Pastel pink. So I think I will mix some of the pink with the white. This pink looks a little obnoxious. Onto the black, and then that's basically it. Whiskers? No whiskers. I guess we'll go no whiskers, and we'll call it then. I will be coming back to stream on Saturday to do Legends of Zelda. And thank you guys all so much for watching. If you have any requests for what you would like me to stream or paint or sign or anything like that, then let me know in the stream chat or on YouTube comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!